SemiStar plus United Silicon Innovation Corporation, U.S.I.C, Test Wafer Expert, Total Silicon Solutions. SemiStar proudly represents United Silicon Innovation Corporation, U.S.I.C, a leading global brand in the niche silicon wafer market, recognized as the Test Wafer Expert. U.S.I.C delivers total silicon solutions to serve outsourced semiconductor assembly and test, OSAT, companies and equipment manufacturers worldwide. U.S.I.C Vision, to be the leading global brand in the niche C wafer market. U.S.I.C Mission, to offer the fastest and best service integrating global silicon wafer manufacturing resources. U.S.I.C Culture, Trust, Explore, Share, Customer Value. Why silicon test wafers matter. Test wafers are essential tools used throughout the semiconductor IC supply chain, both in front-end and back-end processes, to monitor and validate manufacturing conditions. U.S.I.C test wafers are widely used by OSAT companies, foundries, IC device makers, R&D institutes, equipment makers. U.S.I.C main product and service, 100 mm, 150 mm, 200 mm, and 300 mm semi-grade silicon wafer. 100 mm, 150 mm, 200 mm, 300 mm test wafer, dummy wafer, oxide wafer, and aluminum wafer. In-stock test wafers, ready to ship. 200 mm test wafer, IMSI, T8, SS20, A01, 300 mm test wafer, IMSI, T1, SS20, A01, 300 mm test wafer, IMSI, T1, SS60, A01, 300 mm test wafer, IMSI, T1, SS90, A01. For inquiries or orders, contact us today and experience why U.S.I.C is the go-to test wafer expert in the semiconductor industry. Contact us, sales@semistarcorp.com. Visit us, www.semistarcorp.com.